Hi, I'm Jerry, lead mechanic at Evo. Today we're going to talk about converting your wheel setup to tubeless. To convert your setup to tubeless, first off you're going to need a tubeless compatible tire. You'll need a tubeless rim strip tape, some sealant, and a tubeless valve stem. First step in converting your wheels to tubeless is to install a proper rim strip that will hold the seal next to the valve, crossing over about one spoke hole. When you cross back over the spoke hole and over the valve hole, leave a couple inches of overlap and cut off the excess. From here, you can use scissors, a small dental pick, or a knife and poke a hole where the valve stem will go through. Once we have a pilot hole for our valve stem, simply insert the valve stem through the rim, through the tape, and install the locking nut. Tighten the lock nut securely for optimal seal. Next step is to install our tire onto the rim, starting with one bead at a time. Flip the wheel over and begin to install the second bead, but leave about a third of the bead unseated. Leaving a section of the tire unseated, pour in the proper amount of sealant. Once you have your sealant in the tire, proceed to install the rest of the bead. The final step of your tubeless tire conversion is to actually inflate the tire. You might be able to get away with it with some floor pumps, but it depends on your tire and rim combination. Some work better than others. For this, to make it easy, we're going to use an air compressor, because that almost always works. One of the helpful tricks to get your tubeless tire to seat is to remove the valve core from the valve itself. It allows for a little bit more air to flow more freely to help that bead seat just a little bit easier. Now that the valve core is removed, the tire is seated. We must replace the valve core before the tire lets all the air out. So what we'll do is quickly plug the hole from the valve. Take your valve core, quickly thread it back into the valve itself. Snug the valve core up, check your tire pressure, and go ride. If you have any questions regarding tubeless tires, tubeless tire setup, or converting your wheels to tubeless, visit us at evo.com or any of our stores.